Hello everyone. We choose a smart traffic lights project. In our team have 5 persons. They are Hamraev Izzat Bek, Abdu Sadiqov Jamshid, Ortikov Dadaxon, Hasanboyev Bobur Bek, Asgharova Zarina Banu. And I'm going to give some information about smart traffic lights. Day by day, the requirements for personal cars are increasing. It's impossible in any way to prohibit this, but we found a different solution to this problem. We believe that this will become one of the most necessary ambitions in people's life.
Our main motivation came from one of the main problems in the world, which is also recently being crucial in Uzbekistan. It is traffic congestion. As population grows, it will also remain in the future, and I hope this project will help it to solve easily to ease it. Being a driver of myself, I have encountered many times in traffic congestions and spent a lot of time in there, if I can calculate it. And here's you can see some data about cities in traffic congestions. So.
Okay, so let's talk about architecture. As we all probably know, there are three models: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Based on the 5 steps which we indicated on the screen, you can see that we chose the supervised learning, and the diagram on the left side kind of demonstrates how our project work. First of all, we take data sets from the crossroads. We use some gadgets or some detectors on the traffic light, which will count the number of cars and speed, and then we implement some algorithms to rework that data to our model. And compiling our model, we can predict the traffic jams in the future.
Let's talk about design and implementation of deep learning model. So our traffic light will detect the number of cars. Based on cars counter and speed, we can make some decisions. First of all, counter will help us to calculate each day traffic flow, and based on it, we'll change the time of lights. Average speed of car will help us to detect average time of traffic jam, so we can understand how effective was our changes. If error value is high, I mean that if time of traffic jam is not decreasing, so our program automatically adjusts the time of lights. There's some source code and the picture of implementation, how it works.
So from the day we started the project, we've been doing a lot of research and experienced a lot of things regarding the field that we're working on. So we found out that the traffic lighting system in Uzbekistan, it is less likely to paid attention field. So we are really deep into it. So we're creating something, not only one crossroad traffic light system, but we're going to centralize all the crossroads in a particular city in order to create a better result. So actually it's easier than said it's done, because it requires more accurate data regarding the project that we're doing. So at the end of the day, so I'm gonna say this. So we're not gonna create something perfect, right? But we're gonna create the system that really helps and improves the lives of many. So thank you for your attention. If you have a question, please feel free to ask.